what are three things that investors really look for?
There are the three biggest pillars of value, if we could super simplify it. Predictability. Any investor, anyone with money, want predictability on the return. So they want to make sure that that business is fairly predictable. They want growth, because if I'm investing, and this is equity in an equity world where I'm investing for the equity portion of things, I want equity to grow as much as I want equity to grow when I invest in a listed stock. So I want growth, right? So predictability, growth, and I also want to mitigate my risks. I also want to make sure that that business is proven against headwinds, proven against the ups and downs of the market. So I want that scalability. I want those systems.
So when you say the ups and downs of the market, like proven against, are you talking about like eventualities, disasters, COVID type things, or are you talking about competitors?
I'm talking about just changing landscapes, really, not catastrophe-like events, because catastrophic events, we all know by now, we cannot predict them. When they happen, they're gonna pretty much hurt everybody. However, if you are better prepared with your systems, if you have shored up your balance sheet, there are things you can do, right, to make I'm not saying you're gonna have no impact, but you're gonna, one, survive, two, you're gonna fare reasonably well in that scenario. And if you're able to do that, well, and I'm an investor and I see a business that has those capabilities, guess which business is worth more, that business or one that I know is probably gonna be swept under the rug as soon as a crisis hits, because they're not prepared.